this is Roy from Tesla Owners US, and we are trying today to have an alternative for Tesla itself. And I don't know if we have posted that yet or not, but there are some situations where Tesla does not cover warranty. This car is still under warranty, and I want to know if this can be fixed from Tesla or not, or if there's something wrong. And that comes after the intro.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future.
Yeah, what is the case there? Is the case that the windshield wiper washer system does not work. And I had the same situation with the Model Y, and I brought it to Tesla, and what they found out was there was a rodent access to that. And I don't know if I have posted this video yet or not, but I will. Before the Model Y, there was actually some a little tiny animal that made himself a nest in my car, actually in the container where the windshield wiper fluid was in. They chewed it open, and then they had a nest there, and they were happy with this. I was not happy with this, but I have now a problem with the windshield wiper system of the Model X. So, and I don't want to bring it right away to Tesla because I don't know if it's a warranty case or not. But I wanted to try that new Serenity EV, which is a former Tesla employee, and JJ recommended that to me, and we want to try him out and see how he does. And I have only good information about the shop, and let's go there and try it out, and you will see. Hier ist es. Machen wir mal hier rein. So let's go. There's some cars. There's ours. Up to here. So here we are. This is Serenity. That's the shop what they have, and here are some seats from Rivian, because they're not only serving Teslas, also other EVs. And let's go back here. We're gonna later sit in those seats, and we'll show you a little bit around. This is our Arizona. This is Horseshoe Canyon, and we have been kayaked this canyon before, so you probably were there. And this is Arizona as well. Where was it? I think that's Four Peaks. Yeah. And this is Arizona as well, or partially Utah, because that is a photograph from Monument Valley. Yes. And here's the store. He's gonna drive the car around. No, Jonathan. I thought Josh.
You can say his name. That's fine.
Okay. So, and
you can see all the chew marks.
There are chew marks all alongside the car, and it needs to be, the pipe needs to be at least replaced, right?
So it looks like we got lucky that the little tiny section here that actually goes up is okay, but from, see that T junction right there?
Yeah.
There's a T right there. Mm-hmm. So from the T all the way this way, they chewed all along this guy.
Yeah.
They chewed it all the way. You can see some right there too.
Yeah.
So that guy needs to be replaced.
And
yeah, it's too big of a section. So we have a hard plastic line. So we could have, let's say for example, if it was just from here to here, cut and put the vacuum line in there, and that would have been just fine. But it's the whole thing. So we're kind of But it's just a little rubber line, so I mean, it's something that we can serve.
So guys, we went to Tesla, we ordered the part, and it's this one, it's a whole complete set for that, dual lines. But they don't have it on stock, and so if you wait longer, actually what you also could do, we're gonna drive to O'Reilly and exchanging this part, try to look at this type of a pipe and get 6 feet of pipe and then exchanging that in the car instead. Maybe that will do the trick. Okay, hey guys, we found it. O'Reilly Auto Parts has it, and that is about this part here, and it's $6, about $6. It's 6 feet, and it's exactly windshield, washer, hose, vacuum tubing. That's what you need. It's the same standard material like the other one. We just have to exchange it. And as I remember, don't forget the clamps here on the old parts. Okay, so we're gonna go back to them and have that installed. Okay guys, what we have to do, we have to take everything out to make it right. Here's my car, thank you. And actually all the parts are going into the tray, and then we take the tray out and then we do it right. So that's gonna happen now.
That's yours.
Do you know? This is the remaining?
That's it.
That's only what you need.
Let me see it again.
That's a little piece, yeah?
Yes. Look here.
Oh, bad boy.
Right there. They just got me, huh?
The last step. One of the last steps to tie it down before we test it. Tie it down. We can try it. It's dirty enough to clean. Yeah. Ja. Es hat funktioniert. Ja.